Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Tandoori Chicken. One cup curd. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek leaves. 2 pinches turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Half tablespoon tandoori masala. 1 pinch red food color. Half teaspoon lime juice. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon oil. Combine well. Deep cut or incise the leg for mixture to get inside. Marinate for 1 hour. 2 tablespoons oil in the pan. Now add 2 teaspoons butter so butter doesn't burn. Put marinated tandoori leg pieces. Cover with lid and cook on low to medium flame until it's done from one side. Flip the sides. Again cover and cook from another side. Flip and cook until marks appear. Heat the charcoal to smoke the chicken. Put butter on charcoal. Cover and let it smoke for 2 to 3 minutes. Serve with salad. Sprinkle some CHAAT masala. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.